With the relentless Delta variant widening its reach in the region, Los Angeles County reported 318 new cases of COVID-19 and 11 additional deaths on Saturday, July 31. The number of coronavirus patients in county hospitals continued to spike as well, rising from 1,008 on Friday to 1,071, according to state figures. The number of those patients in intensive care dropped by 1 to 231. The county has been experiencing sharp increases in daily case numbers, hospitalizations and test positivity rates over the past several weeks, with the increases attributed to the unpredictable, highly infectious Delta strain. Officials continue to push vaccines as their key weapon to battle the burgeoning virus. Starting this weekend, all 5 county-run vaccination sites will be open on Sundays. The hours of operation: 11 a.m. -6 pages at the Norwalk, Commerce and Ted Watkins Centers, and 8 a.m. -3 pages at the Balboa and Obregon facilities. More information on vaccine access is available at the county's vaccination website. Public health teams continue to offer vaccines at 772 sites around the county, including pharmacies, clinics, community sites and hospitals. Also, mobile teams will offer shots at 322 sites this week, officials said Saturday. Over the past 8 months, millions of people in the U.S. and around the world have been safely vaccinated. The data overwhelmingly shows the vaccines to be effective at preventing serious illness that causes hospitalization and death, Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer said. To really beat back transmission, however, we need to have higher levels of vaccination, particularly among our younger residents. LA County isn't alone in battling the Delta variant's grip. Communities scattered around the U.S. are coping with spiraling infections. Florida reported 683 new cases of COVID-19 on Saturday, the state's highest one-day total since the start of the pandemic, according to federal health data, as theme park resorts again started asking visitors to wear masks indoors. The state has become the new national epicenter for the virus. Accounting for around a fifth of all new cases in the U.S., it was a dispiriting week for the nation's efforts to stamp out the coronavirus, capped by news that scientists who studied a big COVID-19 outbreak in Massachusetts concluded that vaccinated people who got so-called breakthrough infections carried about the same amount of the coronavirus as those who did not get the shots. Health officials on Friday released details of that research, which was key in this week's decision by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to recommend that vaccinated people return to wearing masks indoors in parts of the U.S. where the Delta variant is fueling infection surges. The authors said the findings suggest that the CDC's mask guidance should be expanded to include the entire country, even outside of hotspots.